Hey guys, cool background, huh? Hey, I just want to let you know that today is my channel's 3rd birthday. And I want to thank all of you for subscribing and giving me a thumbs up on videos and commenting and becoming friends with quite a few of you guys. That's the coolest part. And I hope you enjoyed all the adventures I've gone on so far, and hopefully we'll do some more. Train season is going to come up next month. I got, I think, 2 train shows that I plan on doing. So, once again, thanks guys. And this video is going to be a mishmash of everything. So you're going to see me go to an auction, see some maintenance way equipment, and I shot a train last night. And it's a really long train, so I figured, why not? I'll throw it at the end of this video so you can see it. All right, guys, as always, where there's trains, you might just see me. Doubtful, but you know, hey, you never know. Hey everybody, I'm at the West Windsor Fire Company, number 54, good number. Just outside of Binghamton. There's a train auction today. There's one previous, I didn't see anything there that I wanted the last time I was here, but let's go in and see if there's anything good that I like to get. And apparently there's gonna be, I think, about 10 more auctions or so before the end of the year here, just model trains. All right, let's go in. All right, so I'm gonna give you an overview of what they have. Yeah, I'm going kind of quickly, but there's not much I'm interested in, but there's a few things I'd like to try to get. Mostly O gauge. All right, guys, nothing fancy. The setup here, I just left the auction and I'm down at the Binghamton train yard, so you might hear banging in the background of train cars. But anyways, so I'll just show you what I got real quick. I got this box here for $1. And the reason I wanted it was this Lionel HO automatic milk car. It's missing a door, but you load up and it's with milk cans, as you can see in there. And a sort of track, whatnot, who cares? I got this great book on Athearn trains, $7. And I got this, I don't know, this is interesting. They're Wi-Fi. It's a company that does Wi-Fi controllers for your trains. $3, what the heck? Then I got the River Rossi logging buggy, brand new. Got that for $7. And then I got these 2 transformers. This is an AC transformer, which is unusual. Usually they're DC. Got it for $1. Figure what the heck. So, pretty good haul. I spent what? With tax and there's a fee, $22. All right, guys, thanks for watching. This is cool. This is down in the Binghamton yard. I hope I'm getting it on the camera because I got shooting over a fence. I'm not exactly sure what this is for, but this thing looks brand new. It's really cool. Here's a close-up look of the Scorpion fold-out ramp that they use. I think it's pretty cool.